Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will show you step by step how to change the currency on the British Airways website in 2024. This is really useful if you want to see ticket price in your own currency and avoid confusion when booking. Let's get started. First, open your browser and go to britishairways.com. Make sure you are on the official website. You don't need to log in yet. The currency settings is available right from the home page. To top right corner of the page, you will see the country or region selector. Sometimes it shows a flag or here you can see this. Just your current country, click on it and a menu will appear where you can choose your country and prefer currency. Now from the drop down list, select the currency you want. For example, you can switch between GBP, USD, Euro or others available currencies depending on your location. Once you select, the page will refresh and all ticket prices will now appear in your chosen currency. And also, if you are using the British Airways mobile apps, the process is similar. Open the app and tap on the menu icon, go to settings or country and language, select your preferred currencies from the list. Now all flights you search in the app will show in the currency. And just a quick note, even if you change the display currency, the final charge still be processed in the airlines default currency depending on your payment card and bank. So always double check your booking summary before making a payment. And that's how you change the currency or British Airways in 2024, both on the websites and the mobile apps. It will only take some minutes and makes your booking experience much easier. Hope you are enjoying this video, and if this guide helped you, don't forget to subscribe the channels. Thanks for watching.